Hello girls and boys, it's art time and we're going to be making a support art project. And basically what I mean is, if you one way to see animals like this would be to go in a submarine. A submarine is a boat that goes completely in the water, and they have little holes with glass in the so you can see. So we're going to pretend we're going to make our porthole and see what you see outside in your submarine. So you need 2 paper plates, and then you're going to make your hole. If you want, you can trace it, or you can I just go by the line, the indent of the plate. But either way will work. Normally at school I use the plain white paper plates, and I would have just painted this blue, but I didn't have any of those at home. So instead I'm gonna put I'm gonna trace this plate and glue the blue inside so that I can have my blue ocean. So I'm just gonna trace around. Oh, that didn't trace very good. I'll try the marker instead. I cannot see that line. There we go, this I can see. All right. So if you have plain white, just paint it blue or color it blue with a marker for the ocean. All right, yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna glue that down. Okay, then you can go to twinkle.com and get these different sea lice to cut out, or you can go and Google sea lice free images, and you'll get a bunch of images, and you can copy those. And you can pick exactly what sea life you want in your window. I think I'm gonna pick an octopus. And the great thing about this one is this is made for cutting. It's called Ocean Life Cutting Skills on Twinkle. And so this is a good practice for the kids to practice their scissor cutting, and also in a precise way. So here's my octopus. Then I'm gonna do a jellyfish. And it's alright if you overlap them a little bit. And I think lastly I'm gonna do the clownfish. Let's see, maybe I can fit one more in. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go for no, I'm gonna leave like this. I think I'm gonna stick with the 3. So you just glue those down. Then there's 2 ways you can do this. You can glue it or you can staple it. I prefer stapling it. It takes a long time to dry when you glue it, and the stapling holds it just right, and then you don't have to worry about it. So the first punch is a little hard to get in there, but then after that it's pretty easy. So there we go. And then I want to go across the other side to make it even. That's the only thing you got to worry about when you staple it, is sometimes it makes it uneven. There we go. All right. And then there's our portal. So you pretend this is what you're looking out into when you're in your submarine. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have a new craft tomorrow.